Do you have stains you think will be impossible to remove? Use these steps to make it possible.
To remove an ink stain, you will need denatured alcohol, an old toothbrush, some light-colored rags, and a wet-dry vacuum.
If the stain is fresh, use a light-colored rag to blot up as much of the stain as possible. Make sure not to press the fresh stain deeper into the carpet. A dry stain will need to be soaked in alcohol for 5 minutes. Do not pour too much alcohol on the stain. Only use enough alcohol to cover the stain and soak down about ½ an inch. Once the alcohol has soaked for a minute, take a clean rag and blot the ink from the stain. You can repeat this process a few times. Add alcohol, wait, then blot. If there seems to be some fibers the alcohol is not reaching, take an old toothbrush and massage the alcohol into the carpet. Leave it for 5 minutes, then blot more ink up. You may not be able to get all of the ink from the carpet by blotting. A wet-dry vacuum can make this process much quicker and more efficient. Make sure you don't have the filter inside your vacuum. Filters are for dry cleaning. Repeat this process as many times as necessary.
To remove grease, you will need a wet-dry vacuum, baking soda, a spoon, dish soap, water, denatured alcohol, an old toothbrush, light-colored rags, a spray bottle. Liberally sprinkle baking soda onto the grease stain. Be sure and cover the stain fully. Use a spoon to push the baking soda down into the fibers of the carpet. The baking soda will absorb the liquid grease. Leave the baking soda on the carpet for a few minutes. Then, using the dry setting on your wet-dry vacuum, vacuum the baking soda from the carpet. Create a cleaning solution of 1 cup denatured alcohol and a ½ teaspoon of liquid dish soap. Spray your stain with the cleaning solution and allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure your stained area is fully saturated. Using the wet setting on your wet-dry vacuum, vacuum the cleaning solution from the stain. As you can see, the stain is not fully removed. Spray your stain again with your cleaning solution. Using your old toothbrush, work your cleaning solution into the stain. Remove the moisture and stain with your wet-dry vacuum. This grease stain is tough. You may need to repeat this process a few times. Whoops, we've spilled some nail polish. To remove nail polish, you will need acetone, paper towels, light-colored rags. If your nail polish is still wet, use a paper towel and blot up as much as possible. Make sure not to push the polish deeper into the carpet. Acetone is a strong solvent. It can damage your skin or carpet. Make sure and put on some gloves before cleaning this. Now pour 1 or 2 ounces of acetone onto the nail polish stain and let it sit for a few minutes. Once the nail polish has soaked into the stain, use a paper towel to absorb the acetone and nail polish from the carpet. If you're not able to fully blot the nail polish from the carpet, you may need to use a light-colored rag and work the acetone into the carpet more fully. Pour 1 to 2 ounces of acetone onto the stain and work it into the carpet using the rag. As you rub the stain, you will notice that the rag is absorbing the color of the nail polish. Continue to rub the stain gently, using a clean part of the rag to remove acetone and nail polish. Repeat this step until all nail polish and acetone have been removed. Wow, that worked. This looks great. To remove wine or coffee, you will need hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, light-colored towels, a wet-dry vacuum. If you've just spilled red wine or coffee on your carpet, the first thing you need to do is blot as much of the liquid up as possible. Use a towel, rag, or paper towel to get the stain as dry as you can. Do not rub the carpet. Simply blot the liquid up. For a dry stain, you will need to make a cleaning solution. Mix 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide and ½ teaspoon of dish soap in a small bowl. Using a sponge or light-colored towel, dab the liquid cleaning solution onto the stain. Allow the cleaning solution to sit on the stain for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the solution has had time to sit and work its magic, use a clean towel or a paper towel to absorb the liquid. If the first soak doesn't work, you can repeat the process. Dab your cleaning solution onto the stain and let it sit for 10 minutes. Use a light-colored towel to blot the surface dry. Use the wet setting of your wet-dry vacuum to remove all of the liquid. Your carpet should be clean now. No need to whine about this carpet stain anymore. Don't forget, you can use this same method to clean coffee from your carpet. There you have it. No matter what happens to your carpet, there's always a solution.